Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to open your deriv account. For this one, you move to your Google search engine. You log into deriv login. So from there, you click the official site. Now, as the case may be, you have to click this place, that is create free demo account. You click it, so it will bring the space for your email. So you have to put your email you intended to use. So you have to agree and you click this one. So immediately the message has been sent to your email. So we now go there to go and confirm it. So automatically the message has come in. So you click this one. So as you can see, thank you for creating an account with us. To complete your sign up, please verify your email. So you have to verify this email. So you wait for it to pump up. Now, the next thing is to do here, thank you for verifying your email. Where do you live? So you provide your country. My country now is Nigerian. You click the next. So the next thing is to input your password. So after you input your password, you press continue, that is start trading. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see now, so as this question may be, you just click one here. So definitely your demo account has already been created. So you can see 10,000 US dollar there. So now to create your real account, you have to move to this area. You can see this arrow. So you move this area, you click this side. So you can see this one is in a demo. You click real account. So after you click real account, you have to press this one, add. So you add account, and then after you add the account, the next thing is to use the currency, fiat currency, so US dollar as the case may be. So use US dollar. So you continue with next. So after that, you fill all this necessary, everything's supposed to fill here, so you have to fill it. So after you fill all this one, you continue with next. So after the next, and you fill the first address, everything here. So in this step 3 address, there is important thing you supposed to notice here. Only use an address for which you have proof of residence, because you are going to tender all these things, you are going to upload it. So at the address, you know that you have the proof of it, so that is the address you will use. The next thing now is to press next. So all these have been taken. So you click agree, agree. So add account. So you wait for the accounts to pop up. You can see your account is already, your account is ready. Fund your account to start trading. Maybe later, because for this is a training, so you have to click later, because if you want to deposit, you click deposit, but now we are using it for training. So now you can see our account is already open. So finally you have been there, your deriv account is open. Ladies and gentlemen, if I find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for watching.